Plant vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2 offers a unique gaming experience within its own platform community. While cross-platform play isn't available, you can fully enjoy the game with friends on the same system, be it PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. Each platform boasts its own dedicated player base and server, ensuring a vibrant and engaging environment. Plus, the console versions provide the fun option of local split screen co op and garden ops and graveyard ops modes, perfect for playing alongside friends in person. So, right now, the cross platform is not available in Plant vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2. If this update comes in the future, we'll surely let you know through one of our videos. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.